Is this visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So without any delay, I want to introduce about my institute, I mean eTech. So eTech is an online education platform, so which helps students to learn new skills, which helps them in entering into the IT field. So I'm proud to represent eTech, a top tier online education platform committed to helping students achieve success. And our TOSCA automation testing course at eTech is specifically designed to prepare you for a career as a non-coding software engineer. So this is my introduction for eTech. So the next slide. So anyone know what is software testing? Do you have any idea about what is software testing? So if you have any idea about what is software testing, then it's benefit for actually. I want to, but I'll give a brief explanation of software testing. So it is a method to check whether the actual software product matches expected requirements and to ensure the software product is defect free. So what is this meaning? But I'm saying it is a method to check whether the actual software product matches requirements. What is this meaning? So our main goal is to check the software whether the software is defect free, and the second thing is to need remember is expected requirement meets with the actual requirements. So this is all about software testing, right? So if you don't understand what I'm saying, then please ping me in chat or you can talk. Okay. At least you can send a emoji of thumbs up. So that I can know what you understand. Anyone, please? Ma'am, background audio. Background audio, is it okay now? Raj. Meghraj. No, ma'am. From my side, it's very, I think, no noise. Other side, I think. Please, the rest of the people, please mute. I'm asking you, please mute. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Please. Yeah. Please, see, whoever wants to talk, whoever wants to speak, then please unmute and talk. If nobody wants to talk in this meeting, please mute.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Sound-
you are the host. Please go ahead and mute everyone. You are the host.
Yes.
Please mute everyone.
Please cooperate in this meeting, please. Otherwise, it will delay. Yeah, now okay. It's not me. Yeah. Saurabh, I think Saurabh is. Yeah. So without any delay, I'm going to start once again. So what I'm saying, software testing is a method to check whether the actual software product matches expected requirements. And what I'm saying, what is that? What is this meaning? So our ultimate goal is to check the software is defect free. Okay. First, we want to check whether the software is defect free. And the second thing is to need, remember, is expected requirements meets with the actual requirements. So now there are two types of software testing. Okay. So one is manual testing and another is automation testing. So all we know that there are two types of testings are there. One is manual testing and one is automation testing. So our main goal is to identify the errors, gaps, missing requirements in contrast to actual requirements. We need to keep in mind about this main purpose. Okay. So, do you know about anything about what is manual testing and basic difference? I'm asking just basic difference. What is manual testing and automation testing? Anyone? No?
So, so in manual, we don't need any coding knowledge, but in automation, we do.
Yeah, there are number of automation testings like ETL testing, Selenium testing. So
Yes.
number of testings are there. But whatever you are learning, whatever we connected for this TOSCA automation testing, but here we don't require any coding knowledge. So that's why we are here now. So let me explain first. So what is manual testing and what is automation testing? So basically, manual way is the nothing but the human sitting in front of a computer and then manually executing all test cases. But here in the automated way, we create a automated script and that script we run in automated way. So by run the automated script, we don't need any human interaction between that of any test cases and automatically executes and checks, generates reports for us. So in the manual way, we have to do manually perform the test cases and then execute all test cases and then perform and then give a manual report. Okay. So it is like that. So two more things to remember in software testing. So if we go in deep, okay, one is white box testing, black box testing. Did you heard what is white black box testing and white box testing?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is that actually? So white box testing is actually the testing the application or software, that internal structure of application. Okay. But whereas in black box testing means we don't do any internal structure or internal problems. We only check for external features and what that particular software is providing us. So all the futures, all the things that we have seen that we do in the black box testing and white box testing of the internal structure and internal things of a particular software on an application. So this is the basic intro of software testing. Okay. So why we are saying, just I'm giving a brief explanation of what is software testing and in that what is manual testing and automation testing. After you enroll this testing, will go very deep. Okay, we'll go levels of testing very in detail. What is that and how we started and how we are doing. Okay, so why we need to do a software testing? That is also one question, right? So what is software testing? Okay, we know that. But why we need? Why we need to do? So let me explain. So let us see why the software testing is important and what is the need of software testing. As you can see, the software testing is important because with that we can find bugs, right? Errors of it. Bugs and errors can be found as early as possible before we deliver the particular software to the client. With this software testing, we can easily find the bugs in an application because properly tested software product ensure the reliability, security, and high performance, which further results in time saving. So customer satisfaction and cost effectiveness. So this is why the software testing is important. Okay. So why I'm saying before enter into TOSCA automation testing, so let me understand what is software testing, why we are using, and why we need that. So that is also the basic info, right? That we understand. That's why I'm saying I'm giving an information of software testing, so that you can understand in further about the TOSCA automation testing. Okay. So what is the need of software testing? As you know, software testing is needed to solve the errors, bugs in an application. But why bugs and errors could be expensive and dangerous? That is why it's called monetary loss, human loss, etc. So there are many examples in history of human mankind due to software bugs. Like I'll give some examples. Like in 2015, a fighter plane F-35, I think, fighter plane F-35 was not able to target an enemy if a fight plane due to a software bug. Another example is in 1999 April, so $1.2 million were lost in military satellite launch due to software bug. Now, this was costliest accident ever in the history. So just because of a software bug. So this is why the software testing is very important. And one more example I'll give. In 1963, the bank account of some 800 something people in US got credited of 920 million dollars. So this was again the biggest accident in history of human mankind. So just because bugs bugs are there. So this is why the software errors we need to solve. For that we need a software thing. The software testing is very important. Okay. I hope you all guys understand what is that, what I'm saying. If you understand, then just raise the hands. Just give me a raise the hand emoji. Thank you, Rahul. Anybody?
Understood. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So, before enter into TOSCA automation testing, first I wanna give background and my background and expertise. So, I have completed my graduation in electronics and communication engineer. Before saying my current field, I want to say something about my background. Okay, so I came from a non-IT background. I was able to build a rewarding IT career with a great package, but it's all due to the expertise I gained in software testing. So, if I can achieve it, you can too. So this is my confidence actually. Okay. So next, the TOSCA automation testing. I wanna give the overview of TOSCA automation testing, and it is a popular automation testing tool which is developed by Tricentis. Tricentis company. Did you heard it? Tricentis. So TOSCA is a software tool for automation test. It helps ensure that software works currently and meets quality standards. So before we know benefits of TOSCA testing, so let us understand what is the key features of TOSCA automation testing. So there are number of key features, but I'll just give a brief info about key. Uh, First thing, model-based testing. So what is model-based testing? So instead of writing long scripts, okay. So see, whatever I'm saying, please attentive. So don't distract anyone. So model based testing, what is that? So instead of writing long scripts, you create test using a visual model of your application. So this makes is easier to design and maintain test. And Tosca can test various types of applications, including web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, and so on. So you don't need deep programming skills to create and run tests. So Tosca user-friendly interface allows you to build and manage tests with minimal coding. So it helps you manage the data used in test, ensuring you have the right information to test different scenarios. And Tosca connects with other tools such as those for continuous integration, okay, CI. and project management to fit seamlessly into your existing workflows. So it gives priority test based on the risk of different parts of your application. So this means you focus more on critical areas that could cause significant problems. So TOSCA provides detailed reports and insights on your test results, and which helps you understand how well your software is performing. Okay. And next, so this is the slide of benefits of TOSCA testing. So without any delay, I'm just, what is that? I will tell you. So see, benefits, there are number of benefits. See, it, first of all, first point is it saves time. So automates repetitive tasks so you can run test quickly and frequently. And this test done the same way every time and reducing mistakes. And this is second point of benefits. And third thing is you can create and manage the test using a simple visual model. No heavy coding needed here. Okay. And next point, works with you can work with web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, API applications. Okay. So there are number of see this TOSCA testing supports with the different applications. You can test it with the different applications, and you can test the most critical parts of your application first based on potential risk. Okay. So and next. Even those with little coding experience can design and run test. So manages and uses test data effectively to cover different scenarios. Okay. And next, it will give clear reports like this application provides easy to understand reports to see how well your application is performing. And it manages large and complex test suites and suitable for different project sizes. So first of all, and it continuous improvement, like refines test based on results and feedback to keep up with changes. So in short, Tosca makes testing faster, more accurate, and easier to manage while supporting various technologies and adapting to your needs. Okay. So how Tosca works in practice? So see here I mentioned here 6 points. They create a model, design test, automate test, run test, view results, update as needed. What is that? So I'll explain. See, first, before saying that, I wanna say something. If this meeting is disconnected, please rejoin because I just schedule just 45 minutes. So that's why. Because of internet issue, um, I got late. Sorry for that. If it's disconnected suddenly, please rejoin the meeting. I'm here, I'm waiting for you. Okay, because it shows only 6 minutes. That's why after 6 minutes, it will disconnect. Everybody clear?
Yes, yeah. Ma'am, also I want to know if this is open source or like we have to
This
pay,
is,
pay.
yeah, this is open. No, I'm not saying this is open source, but Tricentis Tosca company, what is that? What is the point? They provide a trial version tool. I'll show you in the end of this session. Okay. So what is that tool? And they provide us trial version tool. You can use your personal Gmail ID and you can put it and log in. Okay. And you can you get license also, so it will give 2 months of validity. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll show you what is how it looks and what is the procedures of I mean to install in your laptop.
Mm-hmm.
Shraddha, right?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah. No, anyone? Do you have any doubts? Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So So first point is create a model. Like what? I mean, first you build a visual model of your application in Tosca. So this model shows how different parts of the application fit together. So it makes designing tests easier since you are working with a visual representation rather than coding everything from scratch. And what is the second point? Design test. So you design test by selecting parts of the model and setting up what you want to check. You do this through Tosca easy to use interface. So you don't need to write complex code. You just drag and drop elements to create test cases. That's it. So automate test. So Tosca turns your design test case into automated scripts that can run without manual intervention. So it means why it helps. So test run automatically, saving time and reducing the chance of human error. So execute, and fourth point is run test, right? So execute the automated test either either on demand or as a part of a continuous integration pipeline. So you can quickly and frequently test your application to find and fix issues faster. So review results after test cases run. So TOSCA provides detailed reports showing which test passed or which test failed. So you get clear insights into how well your application is performing and where problems might be. And one last point is update as needed. So if your application changes or you update the model in Tosca, the test linked to this model automatically update too. So you don't need to go and separately and you can do any changes or modifications. You don't not required here. So if you do any changes, if you want to make any changes, then automatically this model automatically update. So it keeps your test cases up to date with minimal effort. So you don't have to redo everything manually. So what I'm saying in short, Tosca simplifies the testing process by using visual models to design and automate test cases, making it easier and faster to ensure your software works correctly. Okay. So the next question is from my end, what you will choose? So I must say, I choose to be a testing. So why should you choose testing as a career? See, when you ask me what you will choose, then I must say I choose to be in testing domain. So reasons is for a tester, this one is amazing, really amazing that you got to know each and every single thing about your application which you are testing. So life will with less stress or stress free as compared to developers. See, everyone needs testing, and one is not limited by a certain technology, and you get to keep learning new things constantly. So, hence, I choose testing, and you will get a chance to work across multiple technologies or projects. So, testing is a good starting point to become testing engineer, manager, business analyst, product stakeholders in the future. So, testing is a creative and original job which requires multitasking skills and communication. As a tester, you're advocating the end user and making sure that they are being delivered a quality product. Without someone to find bugs before software is delivered, many business would be suffering from poor reputations and unloyal customer bases, right? So it's just 1 minute. So after 1 minute, please rejoin this meeting. Just click on the same link and please join this meeting. Everyone clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. And it will automatically disconnect. Sorry, I just scheduled 45 minutes only. Please rejoin this meeting.